Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to download and install Creo 6.0 free student version in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser, type PTC Creo Student version download. Then the first link in Google search, just open it. The page will appear. We have to fill the details. First name such as ABC, last name XYZ. Here your email ID abc@gmail.com. Retype the Gmail ID. Select your country. I am selecting here India. Then describe you it's for student. Then select your college student, university student. Enter your mobile number. I am typing 999888. Job title. Write here student. Then submit the button. The page will open. Here is the previous editions. I am selecting Creo 6.0. The PDF will open. Here the link is given to download the software. First step, this is the second step, this is the third step. Unzip the download DVD image, then the installation procedure. So let's get started. Open the link, continue to site. Here we want a new account. For that we have to register the account first. Create a new education account. Fill the details. I am filling the demo details. ABC, XYZ. Your email ID abc@gmail.com. Confirm your email ID same as previous abc@gmail.com. Parents email ID is not required. Just skip it. Education program. Select the real design challenges. Title, college or university student. School name, I am typing here COEP Pune. Then select your state. It's a short form, but I am selecting a Maharashtra here, MA. Then a country region, select India. Then type your password. Confirm your password. Here please select the underlined numbers only, 3, 2 and 8. Then select create account. Congratulations, the account has been created. Now return to the main page, open that PDF, log in with your education account details with username and password, then log in. PTC Academic Program Agreement page will open. Just select the first paragraph in English, all in other languages. By checking this box, confirm that this is the export agreement. Continue. Then select your version. I am selecting here Creo 6.0. Just click here HTTPS. The download will started. After the downloads, extract the zip file, extract to specific folder. I am extracting to document folder. Wait for a few minutes. It's take a while time to unzip the file. Before installing the software, go to Windows Security in your computer, open it, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Here you will see the manage setting. Turn off all the options from this: real-time protection, cloud delivery protection, automatic sample submission and tamper protection. Before installing the software, we have to disable the antivirus. Now go to unzip folder, find the setup icon, then right click, run as an administrator. The window will open. Install a new software, then next, then accept the software license agreement and check the box, then next. Now here we have to give the key to software. Copy the key from that PDF. We start from BK and paste it here. Install licensing. It takes time. For that we have to give the student education account details, your registered email ID and your password. It takes time. Now it's processing. Now it's success. Then go to next. Select the file you want to install. I don't want that such file. Only the Creo Parametric and the thumbnail viewer is sufficient for running the software. Now it's installing. It will take time to 10 to 15 minutes to install full software. Wait for it. Now the full installation done. Just click the finish button. Close the all window. Now restart your system. Then open the Creo Parametric 6.0 icon. Now it's starting. Here select no start working directly. Close this page. Now I am testing the software. Is it installing fully or not? Now you can see the software is open. Now I am creating some model. Now it's look fine. It's perfectly installed. This student version has 1 year validity. You can use up to 1 year only. After that the software will stop working. Now enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoying this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for more videos like this. Thank you.